Namaskar. Welcome to Sporting Angels Educational Spectrum. We present Spell Bee contest for sub-junior level, and this is the third quarter final. Gone are the days when children used to spell A for apple, B for ball, and C for cat. Nowadays, they spell scientific, technical, historical, geographical, complex words, and they are able to spell the longest words which are formed even without vowels. Even I was taught by them that there are some words which are framed without the help of vowels. And like in the previous one, once again I would like to repeat the same question to my audience. Please find out the longest possible word without the help of vowels. The first one commenting will get a lot of appreciation from all the angels. All these spellers have made their way through a tough journey. Their journey has been very complex one, starting with the written spellings, and they have made it to the quarterfinals and hoping to complete their journey with the grand finals. Ready everyone? This quarterfinal, as you know, will be consisting of 2 rounds, but before that, let me introduce these quarterfinalists. I'll start with my extreme right. Arav is the first quarterfinalist of this third quarterfinal. The second one is Preeti. The third is Tosif. The fourth quarterfinalist and the first one to my right is Adarsh. Trishika is the first one to my left and the fifth one to qualify for this round of quarterfinal. The sixth one is Kavita. The second is Anika. And the eighth one is Nandini. Wishing you all great future ahead. Reminding you all in this hall that this will help us build our vocabulary. And what vocabulary does is, it gives us a strong language to communicate. And communication is all about being successful in the future. So, this spell bee will prove to be a milestone in your success in life. It is not just one activity. This chain of one after the one. The spell bee will lead to a strong vocabulary to a strong language to a strong communication, and strong communication will lead you to a great success in life. Once more, please join your hands together for all of them. The first round, regulation round, Each correct spelling will fetch you 5 marks, and to each one of the spellers I'll be putting forward 3 words. I'll start with my right. You will be the first speller today.
Yes, sir.
And the first word for you is exemplary. Exemplary. Exemplary.
EX.
EX
CA. CA.
is not correct. The second word is responsible. Responsible.
RES.
RES
PON.
PON
SIBLE.
SIBLE is correct. The third word is ingenuity. Ingenuity. Ingenuity.
IN.
IN
JU.
is not correct. I have completed my 3 words with the first speller. It is your turn, and your first word is aspiration. Aspiration. Aspiration.
SP.
Pardon?
SP.
Is not correct. Your second word is consistency. Consistency.
CON.
CON
SI. ST. ENCY.
ENCY is absolutely correct. The third word is persistence.
Repeat them.
Persistence. I can help you with repeating of the word, with the meaning of the word, using it in a sentence, or which part of the speech it is. These are the 3 ways I can be a help to you.
PER.
PER,
SIS.
SIS,
TA.
TA is not correct. So with this, I have completed my 3 words. It is your turn. Your first word is disease. Disease.
DI.
DI.
AC.
SE.
AS.
ASE.
E.
Correct. Your second word is contagious. Contagious. Contagious.
CON.
Come again.
CON.
CON.
TEN. TEN.
TEN. You say
TEN.
is not correct. The third word for you is locusts. Locusts. Locusts.
LO.
LOCU.
STS.
STS is correct. Your first word is personification. Personification. Personification.
PER.
PER.
SO.
SONI.
FI.
FI.
CA.
CA.
TION.
TION. Absolutely correct. Your second word is quality. 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 Correct. Thank God you amended yourself within the time frame. And The third word for you is cinnamon. Cinnamon. Cinnamon.
CE.
C
E.
is not correct. Your first word is acquaintance. Acquaintance. Acquaintance.
AQ.
A
Q.
Q is not correct. Your second word is gratitude. Gratitude. Gratitude.
GRA.
GRATI
TU
TU
DE.
DE. Correct. Your third word is confrontation. Confrontation. Confrontation.
CON.
CON.
FR.
FRON.
ON TA
TI
TI
ON. Absolutely correct. I've done with your 3 words. Now it is your turn. And Kavita, your first word is facilitate. Facilitate. Facilitate.
FA CI LI TA TE.
Absolutely correct. Your second word is collaborate. Collaborate. Collaborate.
CO double L A BO RA TE.
Absolutely correct. Right on dot. The third word is boundaries. Boundaries.
BO UN DA RIES.
Right on the dot. Absolutely fantastic. Excellent it was. Your first word is pierced. Pierced. Pierced.
PE
P is not correct. Your second word is prescribed. Prescribed. Prescribed.
PR ES CRI BED.
Absolutely correct. Your third word is nurture. Nurture. Nurture.
NUR
TURE. Absolutely fantastic. Well, your first word, Nandini, inseparable. Inseparable. INFS.
C
Come again.
C
is not correct. Your second word is magnificence. Magnificence. Magnificence.
ME
is not correct. Your third word is ownership. 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 Ownership.
O
O
W
N
N
E
R
R
S
S
H
H
I
T.
T.
Correct. So I have completed your 3 as well. I have completed the first round, and after the first round, let's have a glance on the scoreboard. Kavita is the leader with 15 marks. Placed second are Anika, Adarsh, Krisika and Tausik. Others, Preeti, Arav and Nandini have got 5 each. So this is the scoreboard. You can have a glance, each one of you, and the second round. It will be a buzzer round, balls in your hands. Well, 8 words, and these 8 words can fetch you as many as 40. Right? So ready? But do not be in unnecessary hurry. Balls in your hands, ready participants, and the first word for you is thermoregulation. Thermoregulation. Anika.
T-H
T-H-E-R-M-O-R-E
M-O-R-E
G-U-L-A-T-I-O-N. Absolutely correct. This is really a good opening. The next word. Ready, teams? Hands on the buzzer. And the word is unhygienic. This time it is Kavita. Unhygienic.
U-N
U-N
H-Y
H-Y
G-I
G-I
E-N
E-N
I-C.
I-C. Absolutely correct. Good boy. Shabas.
Take this ball out.
The third word coming. Ready? The word is opportunity. It is Arav. O-double-P O-R-T-U-N-I-T-Y. Absolutely correct. Well, the next word is, this is word number 4. Advantageous. Advantageous. It is Adarsh.
A-D
A-D
V-A-N
V-A-N
T-A
T-A
G-I
G-I is not correct. You lose 3. I'm sorry. The next question. The next word. Word number 5 it is. Camouflaging. Arav it is. C-A-M-O is not correct. You lose 3. The next word. Ready? The next word is surroundings. Krisika, it is surroundings.
SU
SU
double R OU
OU
N DI GS.
GS. Absolutely correct. Well, the next word. Ready? Word number 7. And the word is underprivileged. It is Anika, I think.
UN
DER
PRE
PRE is not correct. And the last word. Ready? But do not be in unnecessary hurry. And the word is bioluminescence. Bioluminescence. It is Cosmic. Okay. BIOLUMINE. After NEN is not correct. You lose 3. So we have completed the buzzer round, and with this, the result of the third quarter final. Let's have a glance on the scoreboard. The first qualifier is Kavita. Congratulations. You can have your seat over there. You can just go out. You can just go out and relax. Okay, will do. Let it open. The second is Krisika. Congratulations. You can just take your seat over there. The third one is Anika. Shabas. And there is a tie between Adarsh, Arab and Tausik. Preeti, I am sorry. Nandini, I am sorry. There is always next time. So only 3 will remain with me now. Arab, one of you can come this side. Please come this side. Be closer to be slightly this side. Okay. Now, the next buzzer round is to break the tie. Now, next word for you is hedgerows. It is Arab. Hedgerows. H is not correct. So, sorry Arab, bad luck this time. These are the, okay, the qualifier will be only one. You can take your seat, Arab. The last word, consensus. Consensus. It is, okay, he did throw it, right. Take your own time, but not more than 30 seconds. C-O-N.
C-E.
Come again. C-O-N.
C-E.
Is not correct. So you lose 3. You are the one who qualifies for the next round. Please join your hands together for him. With this, well, this was the third quarter final. I wish to pay my sincere thanks to all of those who are sitting in the hall as audience and who kept encouraging each one of them. I would like to sincerely extend my thanks to all those who could not be here with us in the hall but are viewing us through this video. Your encouraging words mean a lot to us. Please keep commenting, keep guiding us, and please do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks a lot for joining.